Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Minecraft Blocks and their website. Right now we are on it is minecraftblocks.io. What exactly they offer us? Guys, it's very simple. Everyone knows Minecraft, right? And many people knows Bitcoin, and they want to bring this together. And some people know NFTs, right? And they push all these things together and combine it into Minecraft blocks. So that means these little blocks here, the most of them are unique, right? They want to create over 10,000 NFTs out of these blocks. And we have different blocks on Minecraft. We have very different looks, different blocks, different made of blocks, and how they look. Here's an example. And they want to sell this NFT Minecraft blocks and make a market for that, create a market. And let's have a look what exactly they write here. We have been to the moon and it's made of blocks. Minecraft, the #1 selling game of all time, is finally getting its own theme, cryptocurrency and NFT project. Minecraft Blocks is a collection of 10,000 NFTs and mine token that make up the DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. So that means this will be real decentralized. They are very early right now. This project is very early in the beginning. So they just have right now a Twitter account. But please, if you haven't done it before, do it right now. Just follow them on Minecraft Blocks. They have already over 3,000 followers and just sign in December last year. That means a couple days ago. They start on Twitter and have already over 3,000 real members. For sure they have a white paper, guys. You can find this here on their website. And it's a 16-sider, so I don't want to read with you right now all the white paper through, but it's very interesting. For example, here we have here the cryptocurrency industry is volatile. To secure the investment of our investors and create a safe environment within the trading ecosystem, DAO will start with several $1 million in ETH. So the token and NFTs have underlying intrinsic value, and the DAO can choose how it is spent. In this way, we can ensure our investors a safe and bright future. So guys, what can I say? Just read it. If you are more interested, you don't have to read the full 16 sites, so I haven't done it too. But I can tell you right now, these guys, they take it serious with their project. So they don't even have right now a token to sell you, but already tell about their project. So they want to build up their community from scratch, and this is something you cannot find anymore outside. This is a real project, so please take it serious, guys. Follow them on Twitter, and for sure they will have soon also Telegram group. I just want to mention this project right now on Bitcoin Daily on the channel, because I think this project can go huge, guys. I think this project can make one of us millionaires. Who knows? Because if you own some of these NFTs, and we speak about Minecraft, right? How many billion people follow Minecraft? And how many million are playing this? Or watching how others playing Minecraft. I mean, everyone knows Minecraft. And you can have a part of it right now in form of a Minecraft block NFT, right? And guys, let me know what you think about this project. I don't want to speak now more about this project because there's right now not more to speak. They are in a very early beginning phase right now. You can see here This is their stage right now, and phase 2 is token and NFT contract testing. So this is not finished yet, but they will do it, guys. So don't forget it. Write it down into the comments what you think about this project, Minecraft Blocks. I like it very much. I will follow this, guys. I will buy some NFTs because I don't want to be a crybaby later when one Minecraft box is sell for some million of bucks. Who knows, right? Who knows? I just want to remember you guys. Here's something nice to see on their Minecraft account. These little guys here, everyone knows them. I forget their name, but I remember these little NFTs worth millions. Millions. For what? For a small digital NFT. Yes, but this is the world right now. We are playing on the blockchain, and everything on the blockchain could be, for some of us, and it was already very expensive if we are not playing with, right? If we are not invested in Shiba Inu from the beginning, if we are not invested in maybe Bitcoin from the beginning, it could be very expensive at the end, guys. And that's why I want to mention this project for you. Let me know what you think about it. Write it down into the comments. Leave me a like. It will help a lot to go forward, to show you every new projects and tokens on the blockchain. And for sure, subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest projects or tokens. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits on the blockchain, and see you later, alligator guys. Bye.